Open day at jungle school. Emma the elephant is going to start school soon. Whew, she's a bit nervous about it. Come along, Emma. We are going to the open day at jungle school. Emma and her parents make their way through the jungle to jungle school. They pass lots of friends on the way. Look, Emma, everyone is on their way to jungle school open day. At the entrance, there are snacks and drinks. They even get a booklet about all the fun activities for the day. There's a sports field. Charlie Cheetah loves sports. A computer room. Ginger Giraffe loves computers. An art room. Mary Monkey loves arts and crafts. A science lab. Rob Rhino loves science. Wow, a swimming pool! Exclaims Emma. I think she might just like it here, after all, says Mom happily.